This video will show you how to install LED third brake lights on your 2004 to 2012 Nissan Titan. Please make sure you have all the tools shown here before you proceed with the installation. Towards the rear of the roof, you will remove two plastic hole plugs in the roof liner. Inside the two holes are two 8mm mounting nuts. Go ahead and remove them now. Now we're ready to remove the factory third brake light and disconnect the brake light harness. Connect the harness to the LED third brake light, then place it in the stock location. Back inside the cabin of the truck, tighten two 8mm nuts and replace the hole covers. Please make sure to check all electrical connections and light function before taking your car back on the road. Thank you for choosing Specdtuning videos to assist you. Please visit specdtuning.com for more products.